Hello there, my name is Richard McMunn from the Intervieww training website, passmyinterview.com, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to pass a senior accountant interview. So if you are applying to become a senior accountant with any accountancy firm or organisation, make sure you stay tuned, watch the presentation from start to finish, because I promise to help you be the standout candidate at your interview. Now, to achieve that goal, this is what I will cover during this tutorial. So I will give you a list of senior accountant interview questions that I strongly recommend you prepare for. I believe these questions will come up during your interview. I will then give you some really important tips for answering each of the interview questions, and I will then give you brilliant, unique, top-scoring example answers to each of the questions to help you be successful. And then finally, I will tell you where you can download all of the answers and further resources to help you succeed. And just very quickly, if you are new to the channel, please do make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's really important because then I can help you not just pass every job interview you ever attend, I can also help you to negotiate a salary and progress throughout your career. And please just give the video a like. I really appreciate your support. Thank you very much. And by liking the video, it tells me that you find these tutorials useful. Thank you very much. So the first senior accountant interview question I strongly recommend you prepare for is, tell me about yourself. Make sure you practice your answer to this first senior accountant interview question before you attend your interview. I also recommend you talk about the skills and qualities you have that match the job description in your answer, and also be sure to tell the interview panel what you are going to do in the role if they hire you. So here's a brilliant example answer to help you. Tell me about yourself. Here we go. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to be interviewed for this senior accountant position with your company today. Before applying, I assessed the job description to make sure I had the necessary skills, qualities, and experience to contribute to your organisation. I would describe myself as a highly organised, meticulous, fast-working, and dedicated senior accountant who is very passionate about my work. In my last accounting role, I had a reputation for being trustworthy, knowledgeable, and reliable. Other accountants in the team could always ask me for help and guidance. The clients I was serving knew they could rely on me to complete my work quickly whilst handling their financial data carefully, and I was always available to help train new accountants whenever they joined the company. Now, if you employ me as your senior accountant, I will bring a depth of accounting knowledge that will add value to your team, and I will always work hard to help you grow your accounting firm whilst streamlining processes and procedures. So that's a really good positive answer to that first question, tell me about yourself, that sets you up with confidence for the rest of your senior accountant interview. Here's the next question. Why do you want to work for our company as a senior accountant? Now, this question will definitely come up during your senior accountant interview. Make sure you demonstrate in your answer that you have researched their company, it's really important, and that you have genuine reasons for wanting to work there. So here's another great example answer to help you. Why do you want to work for our company as a senior accountant? Here we go. I want to work for your company because you have a great reputation for being forward-thinking, trustworthy, and a leader amongst accountancy firms in this region. You offer a full range of services to your clients, which I find appealing because that means my responsibilities will always be diverse. Now, based on the online reviews I read about your accounting firm, your clients often make reference to the fact that you focus on making sure you have a detailed knowledge and understanding of their business affairs to enable you to provide the best service possible. I only want to work for the best accountancy firm, and I believe I will be very happy in my work here as a senior accountant. Now, I really like that answer because it shows that you've researched the different type of services they offer. You are praising them because they are forward-thinking, trustworthy, and a leader in the area. And also, you have read the reviews, the positive online reviews, and you have referenced those in your answer. So it shows that you have researched the company. Now, don't go anywhere because I still have more questions and answers to give you. But when you're ready, you can click the link in the top right-hand corner of the video. You can head through to my website, passmyinterview.com, and you can download my full set of 21 senior accountant interview questions and top scoring answers, including the ones we are working through together today. But here's the next question for you. What are the most important skills and qualities needed to be a senior accountant? Now, this is another question that is likely going to come up during your senior accountant interview. Make sure you read the job description before you attend your interview. This is very important. Now, the job description will help you stand out from the competition because it lists the essential criteria for the role. So here's a great example answer. What are the most important skills and qualities needed to be a senior accountant? Here we go. To be a competent and effective senior accountant, you need to be detail-orientated, highly organised, and commercially aware. You must possess the ability to manage and meet a constant stream of deadlines, be able to manage difficult clients, identify ways to improve accounting and business processes, and possess superior critical thinking and problem-solving skills. You also need the desire to maintain your continuous professional development, have a strong working knowledge of all accounting software tools, and stay up to date with accounting procedures, laws, and changes to compliance regulations. Finally, the ability to work effectively both independently and as part of a team is a must, as is the need to possess a good working knowledge of accounting and general business practices, along with the ability to prepare financial statements and management accounts in a timely manner. That's another really strong answer that will help you prepare effectively for your senior accountant interview. Here's the next question. What made you leave your last accounting firm? So again, this question is going to come up during your senior accountant interview. It is important to be positive about your last employer. Do not be negative about the accountants you work with, your manager, or the direction the company was heading. Because if you are negative in any way, you will fail your interview. Here's the perfect example answer. What made you leave your last accounting firm? Here we go. I left my last accounting firm because I felt I needed a change to continue growing and developing professionally. The accounting firm I worked for was very professional, and it was a great working environment to be in. We achieved lots of great things whilst I was working there, most notably the fact that we collectively managed to increase the client base by 40%. However, I felt I had reached my peak at that accounting firm, and in order to keep developing, I needed a change. That's a great answer. You are positive about your last accounting firm, and you are also making reference to something that you collectively did to improve the company. So it's a really, really good answer. Here's the next question. How would you deal with a difficult client? Now, as you already know, dealing with difficult clients is very much part of your job as an accountant and also a senior accountant. So where possible, give an example of when you have previously dealt with a difficult client to achieve a positive outcome. Here's my example answer. How would you deal with a difficult client? I would deal with a difficult client by always being professional, courteous, and timely in my communication. I would, where possible, speak to the client on the phone or face-to-face because this, in my experience, helps to improve the working relationship. I would ensure that everything I did as a senior accountant was as promised when the client first hired our services, and I would give them no reason to complain. In a previous role, I had a difficult client who was often rude to both myself and other accountants, so I arranged to meet with them in person to try and build a better connection and to also explain how we worked in the office. This had the positive effect of improving the working relationship, and we experienced fewer problems with him moving forward. At all times, while serving clients, I would remember that I am representing your accountancy firm and I would be entirely professional. That's a very mature and smart answer to that common senior accountant interview question. How would you deal with a difficult client? Here's the next question. What are you looking for in your next accounting job? Now, this question comes up often during senior accountant job interviews, and it is assessing whether your motivations for wanting this job are aligned with their workplace culture. So we need to be careful how we answer it. Here's the perfect example response. What are you looking for in your next accounting job? Here we go. I am looking for a wide range of responsibilities in my next accounting job. One of the reasons why I want to leave my current job is because I am ready to be pushed and challenged, to have greater responsibilities, and to also work in a positive, busy, and highly productive environment. And I believe I will get these things working for you. I am also looking for the opportunity to work in conjunction with a proactive senior management team that genuinely wants to push their business forward and achieve everything that is possible in an accounting firm. Again, I believe working for you will give me all of these things. That's a great answer. So as you can see, all of these responses are going to help you be the standout candidate at your senior accountant interview. So the next thing to do is click that link right now in the top right hand corner of the video. Head through to my website, passmyinterview.com, and you can download my full set of 21 senior accountant interview questions and top scoring answers, including the ones we have worked through together today during this tutorial. Make sure you go through to that website because on the page I have listed the full 21 questions I recommend you prepare for. You can download the answers as I've just said, and there's also some additional tips on that page that will help you be the standout candidate. Make sure you check it out. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It is important. I genuinely want to help you progress throughout your career, and I can only help you if you are subscribed. Please give the video a like. That does motivate me to create more content for you, and it tells me that you find these tutorials useful. Thank you for your support. And also, don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I've put my LinkedIn link in the description below the video. It's always great to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you all the best for passing your senior accountant interview. Have a fantastic day.